Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Balsam Hill Orchard Harvest Wreath. This is a decorated wreath with battery operated candlelight LEDs. At the moment this wreath is on sale for £89 and the original price is £119. I also have an unboxing video of a Balsam Hill Christmas tree as well as a video of me decorating the tree. If you would like to see any of those, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Here's what it looks like inside the box. When you first take it out the box, it's obviously flattened and it does need to be fixed a little bit. In the centre of the wreath you get two clear packages. Inside the package you receive one envelope with a letter from Balsam Hill. Extra information and battery box instructions. This wreath is actually suitable for indoor and outdoor use. You receive this extra tool. I actually have no idea what this is for, and you receive it with the Christmas tree as well. If you know what this is for, please let me know in the comment section. You also receive this box with replacement bulbs and fuses. Remember, I received two of these and I'm not sure if that was a mistake or not. The battery box is extremely easy to open and it takes 4 AA batteries. This is very simple to operate. As you can see, it has an on-off switch and another button to set the timer. You can set this wreath to stay on for 6 hours, 4 hours or stay on permanently. The branches are very flexible and the bristles have different textures. This gives it a more realistic look. The best part about this wreath is the ornaments. These aren't normally the sorts of colours that I use at Christmas, but these apples and pears are absolutely stunning. As you can see, it has some shimmery leaves as well as some different textured berries, and I think that this really adds to the look. The wreath is securely attached to a piece of cardboard inside the box. Because we were putting this back in the box, we didn't completely fluff it out, but as you can see here, the branches are very easy to move. Once the wreath is hanging, it's going to be very easy to locate the battery box and switch the lights on. We absolutely love our Balsam Hill Christmas tree and we're sure we're going to love our wreath just as much. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!